Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful painting in simple 4 steps. So let's get started. This 8 into 10 inch cotton canvas and my variety of brushes, these are the requirements for this painting. You can use any makeup brush or flat brush to fill the background. So I'm going to fill the background with the purple color. So in this painting I am going to make a very aesthetic sky painting. So I am going to have many colors like purple and light purple and pink, light pink. So the color will be more aesthetic and pleaseful to the eyes. So I am mixing the color white and purple to have this light purple shade. So I am mixing these two colors and blend the colors with the purple. And now I am going to apply the color pink or magenta, and I am applying the pink color in the middle of the background. I am using my makeup brush to fill the background, and it is very easy to blend your colors with using your makeup brush. If you don't have any makeup brush, then no problem, you can also use your regular large flat brush. So always use large brush to cover a large area, so it also saves your time and also keeps your paint not to become very dry so fast. So I am using very large brushes to cover very large area. I am just mixing up white and magenta to get this beautiful pink shade. So this is the background of our painting, and we are going to paint something very beautiful and aesthetic night sky with full of firecrackers and cute couples watching this. Once it was done, we are going to move the next step, that is the firecrackers. So we are going to paint the firecrackers now. So I am mixing the color orange for a very vibrant firecrackers. I am using my medium size makeup brush. If you don't have this brush, you can also use any round brush. So also you can notice here I am using the brush in a circular motion to create this circle form. So use your brush in a very circular motion to have this, and also keep in your mind that we don't need a very sharp edges for this circle. So keep the circle is blended with the background, so it makes it like a flames. When we see some fireworks in the sky, we also see the flames, so we are creating the flame effect here. We are going to paint many fireworks in the sky. So now I am using the color viridian blue, and also using the same technique, I am using my brush in a circular motion to have this flame effect, and also I concentrate on giving more saturated color on the center of the circle, so we can see some flame effect. Once the flames are done, we are going to paint the sparkles from the fireworks. So I am choosing the color yellow, mixing up with white. So I am going to paint some sparkles in a circle. I am using my detailing brush to paint these tiny and sharp lines. So I am concentrated on giving very sharp lines, and we are going to draw more circles in this fireworks. So keep some space between the lines when we paint more circles here. So we have to give some space between the lines, and we are going to fill the gap between the lines with white color. So here you can see I am using the color white, and I am using the color between the yellow lines. So concentrate on giving very tiny lines using your detailing brush. There are tons of technique to paint fireworks in internet, but I find this technique is somewhat simple and also very fun to do. So I am using this technique. Also we can paint fireworks in different techniques, and I am making this video very simple. So I am using this technique, and I hope it is so easy and helpful for beginners. So please let me know in the comment section if this technique is useful for you, and it will help me to give more tutorial about how to paint everything in a simple format. So now it's time to decorate the sky with more fireworks and also more sparkles. So I'm giving some dots using the yellow and mixing up the yellow with white, and also I'm just blending the colors with the background to make more fireworks in the sky. And once this step was done, we are going to paint the couples later. To make the sky even more beautiful, we are going to splash some white color on this canvas. So I'm using this old toothbrush to splash some white colors on the canvas. So gently splash some white color on the canvas. Now let's paint the couple. First we are going to paint the ground, later we are going to paint the couple. So I'm using the color black and I'm using many large flat brush. I am using my old brush with the damaged bristle to paint the grass, and once it was done we are going to paint the couple. And before we paint the couple we have to paint the bicycle. For this painting we don't need to paint the entire detail of a bicycle, we just need an outline of a bicycle is enough. So I am just making the outline of the bicycle. If you find my couple painting tutorials are very easy and efficient, you can also watch my other couple painting tutorial in my couple painting playlist, and check out my playlist to watch all other couple paintings in my tutorials. And I hope it will help you a lot, and let me know. At first I just had a thought of painting only the sky full of fireworks, and later I realized something is missing in this painting, so I added the couple here. Now I look at this painting, oh wow, this is so beautiful than I imagined. So if you have any idea in your mind, don't give a second thought, just do it, and I hope it will all turn out very good. If you find my tutorial is very easy, then please subscribe my channel and follow me in my Instagram. After almost 3 hours of painting, we finally finished this beautiful couple painting. And please let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting. Until then, have fun with colors.